Okay, well, here's the guinea pig. He is a lawnmower. Isn't that right? We need evidence.
Yep.
Okay, there. Here, you can show him how long a piece of grass is. Who cares about that? Okay, look, it's like it's a foot long exactly. And see this? Oh no! Whoops! I dropped the camera. See this cute little guinea pig? Well, under all that fur, he's not cute. Oh no! Is he gonna try to eat the camera? Okay, well, Gail. Okay, well, we also got a piece of straw that just snapped. Okay, here's both sides. Well, we're gonna start feeding him the grass. Nom 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 nom. Okay, now it's half of a foot long. Now it's a centimeter of a foot long. No, I'm kidding. Okay, well, look.
I like how there's somebody mowing their lawn in the background and he's eating grass.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to time how long he eats this. So I just thought of that. So, finish it, or I'll pull it out of your mouth. You have 3. Okay, there's what's left.
And now it's gone.
I got it. Okay, he ate that in 25. He ate it in a minute, 1 minute and 25 seconds exactly. Well, look. We'll watch this. Okay, we're gonna start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. No, it's 18. 18 seconds. What?
For like straw like this big.
He's not very bouncy. Watch.
Hold on, we gotta give him this.
Okay. YouTube read my. Oh God! Let your YouTube read my shirt. Kale, hold on. Let YouTube read my shirt. Don't bother me. I'm playing video games, eating pizza. Nope. Ignoring you. Well, I guess that's it. So, see ya.